Hey everybody, it's time for another edition of Senior Moments in the Kitchen. We're going to cook up something today that really is part of my philosophy of cooking, which is it's simple, it's easy, it's quick, and it is delicious. And today what we're going to be doing is cooking up a really nice piece of salmon. We're not going to do the fillet, we're going to make salmon bits. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to put our salmon down here. Oh, and before I forget, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Anytime, click on my face down there in the corner and you can subscribe to my channel. All right, so now we've got the salmon and we're going to cut it up into little bits. Nice sharp knife. So you want just like little squares, and we'll do this a little bit at a time. When I was growing up, fish was not really a big part of what we had for dinner. Actually, it was a lot of Swanson frozen Salisbury steaks. So I kind of developed my taste for delicious fish a little later in life, and pardon the pun, but I got hooked. So, last one here. Alrighty, so now we're going to kind of shove that over there. So for this recipe, we're going to make a marinade. So we're going to start with a little lemon juice. Some minced garlic. These jars of garlic are great. It's so much easier than taking the garlic fresh and chopping it up. Some people tell you that, that's the only way to use garlic, but this has always worked for me, so I keep using it this way. And it's a pretty simple marinade, so there's just that, some pepper, and some olive oil. All right, so now we're going to take our chunks of fish. Beautiful, beautiful salmon. You can see it's all down there in the bowl, and then you just mix it up. All right, now you let that sit for 10 minutes. So this is a good time to go ahead and preheat your oven. Okay, so now the salmon is done marinating, and we're going to take it and just put it on a baking tray with some parchment paper on it. Like most of my recipes, I find some basic stuff online, but then I put my own twist on it, and I'll show you what the twist to this one is in a little bit. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 13 minutes or so. Let's make sure it's cooked well. All right, there you go. Just get a little bit more of the lemony, garlicky marinade on it. All right, and now we're going to pop it in the oven for 13 minutes. Then it'll be time to eat. Okay, so here's the finished product. We've got our beautiful salmon bits, some gorgeous steamed broccoli, and the last twist on this recipe is we're going to give it a Mediterranean flair with some tzatziki sauce. So let's check her out. Beautiful salmon taste. The nice lemon and garlic. The tzatziki sauce gives it a fresh, creamy taste. It's just really nice. So there you have it. Another simple, easy recipe from the Senior Moment Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. One more reminder that if you do, click on my face down in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time we meet in the kitchen, bon appetit.